Hi, this is Anne. Today I just want to make a small Father's Day gift. I'm going to use a wooden blank heart, maybe a popsicle stick or two, and a few screws and nuts and bolts, old ones, new ones, it doesn't really matter, and a little bit of clear gel. So what I'm first going to do, I'm going to glue this. Let me just get this open. Remember, gel medium dries clear, so it's not going to stay white like that gel. I'm just going to snip off a piece of string. I just want to pop it on before I put the gel on. So I'm just going to make a little thingy here to hang. And then I'm going to put this clear gel on top because I want to stick the nuts and bolts with this. Remember, this dries almost flat when dry, and it's a very strong glue, and it does get transparent when dried. So that's maybe a little bit too much. I just want to put a lot on because I want to some of these nuts and things are big. I'm not sure what I'm going to use. I think I'm going to use that one. These ones are maybe too long, but let's pop one up. You can actually just throw them on there. You don't need to do this that I'm doing now, because it can look actually better if you just pop it on and let it fall like it wants to fall. I just don't want sharp points sticking up. I don't want them going too much over the sides. It can go a little bit, but not too much. Now I'm just going to leave this to dry, and as soon as this is dry, I will come and I'll paint it. Okay. While I'm waiting for it it to dry, I'm just going to start making my message that I want to put on top of it. Just get another plier. I just want to paint this white before I will print my message on. I'm just going to try and make it a little bit smooth, because I'm going to use this to put the words on. So I'm just going to quickly let it dry, and then I'll start putting the words on this. Okay, this is dry, so I'm just going to use I'm not going to put it on a thing, but I'm just going to stamp my letters here. I want to let it look like an old typewriter, you know, type of thing. I'm just gonna make a heart here. I'm gonna fill it up with the color acrylic, so I just will see when I get there at the end. Maybe I will just fill this in with blue or red or something. So now this can wait until that other thing here is dry, and then I'll just stick it on top. I'm gonna paint this black, this whole thing black, so I'm just gonna speed this up because it's gonna take a while. This is dry now, so I'm going to take this Gilders paste. It's a German silver, and I'm just going to take it on my finger, and I'm just going to softly touch the raised areas. Okay, you can use a black Posca or one of these Pentors or whatever. I just want to fill that hearts in with a pen, and then I'm going to stick it down, and then I'm finished. I'm going to take this jelly roll, and I just want to do a little bit of white around the heart. Okay, everything is dry now, so I'm just going to use this Gorilla Glue, wood glue, and I'm going to just let me see, from there to there. I'm just going to glue it down, and then I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm finished. Now if you really want, you can maybe put a screw or something in there as well, like in the place of a bead. But I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I will definitely see you next time, and have a lovely day.